shadows creep. Here comes Rover in a leap, chasing tails and sniffing air. Life's a game and he's the player. Morning runs through fallen leaves, panting joy on rolled up sleeves. Squirrels scatter, birds take flight. Rover's howl cuts through the night, barking at the moon so high. Paws on earth but heart can fly. From the ground to cosmic tune, Rover sings his lunar crew. Fire hydrants, entry posts, marking spots they love the most. Streetlights flicker, Rover roams, finding friends and making homes. In his eyes the stories gleam, water bowls and endless dreams. Faithful pal through thick and thin, Rover's journey